Hey everybody, Sean with Growlerwerks. I'm here at Growler Guys, Portland's premier growler filling station and tap room with owner Brendan Cox. As you can see, we have a uKeg 6.4 with us, and today we're going to show you how to use it. Step 1, start with a clean growler. Step 2, fill it up with your favorite beer or whatever you like to drink. While Brendan's filling up the uKeg, I'm going to show you how to use the regulator cap. We start with an 8-gram threadless food-grade CO2 cartridge available online or at kitchen stores. Insert the cartridge into the cartridge sleeve. Make sure the cap is in the off position, and then screw the cartridge sleeve onto the cap. The cap's charged and ready to go. The last step is to cap the uKeg. Capping on foam ensures there's no oxygen left to spoil your beer. Make sure the tap is in the off and locked position. Increase the selector dial to your desired pressure. And you're good to go. Thanks, Brendan.
Thanks, Sean.
Drinking beer is the most important step. We recommend sharing with friends.
If you can't finish it all in one sitting, store it in the refrigerator for another time.
When your uKeg is empty, it's important to clean it. The uKeg is not dishwasher safe, but it's easy to clean in your sink. Make sure the tap is open, fill with warm water, pour it out, and repeat a few times. You'll also want to rinse off the bottom of the regulator cap and cartridge sleeve. Set these aside to dry, and you're done. We hope you enjoy using the uKeg and keeping your craft beverages fresh. Cheers!